Sri Prabhu Chawla, ladies and gentlemen, I am delighted to be here this evening with all of you. My congratulations to the New Indian Express Group and especially to Sri Prabhu Chawla for the successful organization of the 8th edition of the Odisha Literary Festival. Literature has always been an important weapon for social change and has long since been guiding our society. All along, literature has been the essence of social transformation and happiness. The spark for major social changes across the globe have been ignited by revolutionary thinkers and writers. We all know how Voltaire and Rousseau had influenced the French Revolution. The Odia Mahabharata of Sarla Das was a transformative factor in the literary landscape of Odisha. Sarla Das simply adopted the language of the masses and made it mainstream literature. It connected people to literature and the great social traditions of that era. Similarly, Bhima Bhoi's attempt at fighting outclass barriers, Fakir Mohan's role in awakening the society for girls' child education, and Pratibha Rai's celebration of women power are a few of the innumerable instances as to how literature can bring in behavior and social transformation. We celebrate our great literature and tradition with numerous eminent writers contributing brilliantly to its positive growth. Today we are in the age of knowledge and empowerment. Literature is more important than ever today. Literature makes us question things. Literature makes us dream to transform. Without literature, there would be no imagination or heart to do what we do in our daily lives, nor a quest to improve our future. I believe this festival plays an important role in more ways than one. I hope the deliberations here will encourage our writers of today and in times to come, will enrich our great tradition and empower people with knowledge and creativity.